Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for joining me here on my media channel for a few minutes. And today we're going to do an unboxing of Get Out by Jordan Peele, the 4K release. Not a special edition, but hey, I happened to get it. I know, I'm late in buying this movie. Should have bought it a while ago. It is an Academy Award winner for Best Original Screenplay, so that's one of the reasons I finally got it, because I want to put it on my Oscar shelf. But I figured, well, look, it's not open. Let's just unbox it, because why not? Let's just have something to show today on the channel. So this is a great movie taking about Jordan Peele writes about, the scariness it can be of race relations in America and puts it in the form of a horror movie. And yeah, it's really good. Now, interestingly, this was done with Blumhouse, so it was done really cheap, really on the low. Because of the big success now, he's been making movies with Universal, and he's gotten bigger budgets. And so this has the 4K, it has a Blu-ray, and it has a digital copy. So let's open this. It's probably, look, I'm not going to lie, this is probably not going to be the most exciting looking release. I think if we get a picture on the disc, we will be considered very, very lucky. And let's take that, and let's take away the code. That code's going to get used. And oh, well, we did get a picture on the disc. Okay, I like that picture. And there's the Blu-ray with all blue and everything. So, okay, yeah, I like that. I mean, it's the same as the cover, but that's a nice cover. So, if you ever end up seeing this disc on its own, I mean, at least you have a very, very good idea of what it is you're getting. So, yeah, I like that. I like that. So, anyway, that's the Get Out 4K release. Again, this was just a simple little video. Hopefully, we'll have, some more substantial unboxings soon. But I'd like to know, do you have this? What do you think of the movie? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care.